Salute! What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, today's video is for our gadget lover. I'm gonna give you an honest review of Ibiza 2 by Scream. In today's video, I'm gonna give you an honest answer of his product, build, quality, sound test and pricing and something special at the end of the video. So watch it till the end. So chalo bhaiyo, let's roll the title. Firstly, let's talk about the looks. I liked the design a lot. The black and the white combination is totally amazing. It's very classy when you're wearing it out. I actually like the fact that they have kept red and blue light strip near the logo of the earphone. Now imagine sitting in the dark and listening to music while the earphones are actually glowing. That actually looks very crazy. When it comes to the build part of it, I'm actually shocked at the price range that these people are giving. The quality is pretty good. The charging case, the earphone and the silicons, overall design, I'm rating it around 4 out of 5. Now let's talk about the battery life. So this charging box takes around 1.5 hours to get completely charged up, and then it can charge the earphones up to 6 times. Saying that the charging life, the battery life of the earphone is somewhere around, I would say for a music playback, 4 hours, and for talk time or calling is somewhere around 4.5, 5 hours at the max. The total battery capacity of this is 300 mAh. Inside the packaging of the product, you will find the earphones, the charging box and a charging cable and few manuals along with it. To charge the case, you can even use your regular Android cable, the regular one, not the Type-C one, and it can get charged as well with it. While charging, you can actually monitor the amount of charging pending or has been done at the center of the charging case. Whenever the earphones are getting charged, you will find a red color strip line around the Scream logo, and when it completely charged, it will turn to blue and then turn off. To pair these earphones with your cell phone, you just need to press the center button of both the earphones, hard press it for 5 seconds and automatically it will get turned on, and connect to each other first, and then it will pop up on your cell phone's Bluetooth symbol. Now talking about the connectivity speed, it takes around 14 to 15 seconds for the complete setup to be done. One thing about the connectivity part of this earphone that I actually liked it a lot is that this earphone is damn flirty, okay? The moment you turn it on, you will hear a female voice assistant saying, "Hello baby, welcome to Scream." And the moment you turn her off, again she's gonna say, "Goodbye baby." So that one flirtatious nature is there in this overall sexy design. The Bluetooth version in this is 5.0 and the range is 10 meters. Now for the connectivity part of it, I'm rating it 4 out of 5. Ibiza 2 is actually Google and Siri enabled. You just need to press it and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds for the voice assistant to be getting activated, and it is hands-free call enabled as well. You just need to double tap it twice and it will get activated. Now let's talk about the most important thing, that is the sound quality of it. So for sound, let's talk about the bass. Bass I'm rating around 4 out of 5, and for treble middle I'm going to rate it around 3.7, 3.8 out of 5. If you're into rock and roll music, acoustic music, heavy metal music, Bollywood music, then you're going to love this earphones. Now when it comes to the comfort in ears and the fitting of it, it is actually very good. I will actually rate it again 4.5 out of 5 because I have even gone on running, jogging, even done burpee squats while wearing this thing and it did not slip out of my ear. For water resistance and dust resistance, the company has not officially said anything with respect to it, so I wouldn't risk it going in rains while wearing it. Now let's talk about the pricing of this product. So the total cost for Ibiza 2, the true wireless earphone, is around 3,000 rupees, but right now they're actually having a flash sale deal on Amazon in which you can get the same product for just 999. So if you're actually interested in buying it, I will leave the link in my description. आप जाके link में वहाँ पे मेरे description में check कर सकते हैं if you are really interested to buy this product. All in all, if you're looking for a true wireless earphone under a budget of 1,000 rupees, then you can actually go for it. This is actually one of the best product in that range. Now saying with respect to gaming, if you're playing any live interactive game such as PUBG or Call of Duty, hypothetically, then again, if it is on Bluetooth, it will obviously lag. So this product is not for gaming as per se. Yes, you can play. The sound will be there because I tested it out with Call of Duty and I could actually hear the ambient sound very properly on it. But then again, because it is Bluetooth, I also felt a lag in there. If you're looking for a gaming earphones or gaming headphones, I will link it down below. You can go and have a look at it. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press that bell icon. I will be bringing more such product reviews to you. This was possible because 7 of my subscribers DM'd me and they wanted to know about one true wireless earphones under a budget of 1,000. In case you want me to make some other videos as such, any topic with respect to gadget, men grooming, men health, product reviews, just comment it below, or this is my Instagram ID. You can just follow and DM me here. I will surely reply you and do my best as much as I can to help you all. And if you guys are looking out for shout out, just go to any of my video or this video, take a screenshot of it, post it on your Instagram story, tag me and use the hashtag Vineet Gaur. Till then, wherever you are, be safe, be healthy and take care of your family. I will meet you very soon with a new video. Till then, my dudame. Bye.